What is browser local storage? Imagine a squirrel storing nuts for winter, except instead of nuts, it's your web data, and the squirrel is your web browser. Browser local storage is a feature that lets websites save data directly in your browser. It's like your browser's secret notebook to remember things, like your login details or your shopping cart contents, even if you leave the site. Unlike cookies that are sent with every HTTP request, local storage stays safely in the browser for as long as you want, without adding extra weight to network calls. The storage limit? A chunky 5 megabytes per origin, which may seem tiny, but it's enough to store lots of text or plenty of prime cat GIF links. Data in local storage persists even if you close your tab or browser. Yes, it's that loyal. Ideal for offline applications or when you want smooth performance. It's like having a superpower for your favorite website. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's client-side, so don't store sensitive info like your secret agent name or your grandma's secret cookie recipe. And a heartfelt message for privacy. Always clear local storage before gifting your device to someone else. So, next time you hit a site that seems to remember your every move, tip your hat to the quiet worker, local storage.